Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Today I've got a bit of a problem. I got a fly in the garage. Now actually I have a nail in the front tire of my 2001 Viper GTS. Very annoying. Got nice tires, but in there you can see there is a nail. So I could take this to a tire shop and get them to fix it, but instead I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Anybody can do it, even an idiot. Even an idiot can do it. First step is to take off the tire. All right, so here is our screw, which is in my expensive Viper tire. Now, actually the screw might be short. It may not have got into the inside of the tire. So if you can remove this without having to repair it, that's good. But to find out if it actually, the air is leaking, you can just put some Windex right on there. And then you wait. You wait and you wait and you wait and you wait to see if there's any bubbles. Yes, there is bubbles. So that means it's into the inside of the tire. We have to repair this. But if there was no bubbles, I could have taken this out and just keep driving. This is my tire repair kit. You can get this at any kind of automotive shop. So I got the plugs right here. I've got a pair of pliers to take out the screw. I'm going to clean the hole. You got to make the hole a certain size so that the plug will fit in. If it's a small size hole, you got to make it larger and also make the sides smoother. This will clear that out and make the hole the right size. And then you put your plug in this plunger and you plunge it into the hole. Then once you got it in far enough, you pull this out, plug stays in. It's easy. A little bit of lubrication. I like to use goop as my lubrication for this operation. Then after it's all done, assuming you're successful, you will cut off the ends with a little razor. That's all there is to it. You keep this in your car. You can actually repair the car on the side of the road. Now, if you're fast enough, you can get the screw out and repair it without losing too much air. Get yourself to the nearest gas station. Or you can carry an air compressor in your car, but either way, it can be done on the road. Okay, switching over to the POV on my GoPro, just so I can work on this and show you how it's done. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is put our plug into its position. Now this plug is kind of dirty looking. This plug is better. Okay. You got to center it and place it in the slot by rolling it down. And make sure it's kind of equal. Okay, so this is ready to go. I'm just going to put some goop on this. Now, you can use different things, but I think that this kind of lubricates the whole thing. It's going to make it just go in a little bit easier. Okay, so there's our lubrication. Okay, so we set this aside, ready to go. Next step is to take the screw out and to start cleaning the hole. Take the screw out, a pair of side cutters. Okay. And that in the hole we go. And I do a kind of rotation to try and clean out the hole. Make the edges smooth. Once you can go in and out pretty easy, like that, then you're pretty close to being ready. I think we're ready to go. Okay, we got our plug ready. And then we try to put the plug in. Takes a bit of effort. put your, okay, you gotta push. You want it in, but not too far in. Okay, then just pull it straight out. There you go. That is it. Okay. So it's pretty safe to put in plugs when you have it on the flat of the tread. Once you start getting close to the sidewall, plugs are no longer safe. It's better just to replace the tire, but in this case, I think this is gonna work. Now to double check, let's get our Windex, spray it all around, and we look for any bubbles that are forming. Getting more, getting larger. No, I think we did it. So now all I gotta do is cut off the excess. Try not to cut into the tread at all, just cut the excess plug. Like so. And there's the finished result. All done. Ready to go back on the car. So you can see how simple this job is. And I've done many of these over the years. Only one of them started to leak again out of maybe 10 to 20 that I've done over the years. So this is a pretty good repair and you can do it yourself. All right, there you go. Even an idiot can repair their tire just like that. Anyway, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.